Library Digital Breakout. We're so happy to have you here. We would love to be doing this in person, but with everything going on, it's a lot easier to do this virtually. So what we're going to look at right now is one of our wonderful online resources that we really promote our freshmen use. So to find that, you have to go to your library webpage. So this is your Washburn Rural High School homepage. The easiest way to get to your library is just to come here and click Library. And then it will open what is known as Destiny Discover. Now, this is a really great tool that you'll look at a little bit more in another video. But specifically right now, we want this first learning link, subscription databases. So when I click on subscription databases, there are several resources that you can access. One that we really promote for freshmen is Explora. Now, Explora is a free database for all students, and it's free because it's paid for by the State Library of Kansas. So all you have to do is click on it, and that link will automatically redirect you to the Explora homepage. No logging in, nothing fancy. Now, if you are accessing this resource at home, it should work. The only time it prompts you for a login is if for some information your Wi-Fi IP address doesn't track back to Kansas. Sometimes that happens if you're using like a hotspot device. So if that's the case, just email us and we will get you a library card number really quick and easy. It doesn't take long. So this is Explora. We really like using Explora because it's just a good generic database that kind of gives you an overview of topics. So there are suggested topics down here. So if you get to pick a research topic, there's always some ideas. You have some generic suggested current news events. So, for example, the very first one that pops up are hurricanes, especially with all the hurricanes that are hitting in our tropical areas right now. It's very relevant. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to walk you through a search. And when I was listening to the news this morning, I heard the weatherman actually talk about how our skies are hazy because we are getting smoke from the wildfires burning in California and Colorado right now. So I want to know a little bit more about wildfires. So just using Explora, you're going to have to use keywords. So I can't just type in how our wildfires started. It's going to be too much for this database to process. So instead, I'm going to type wildfires. And what I love about this is it gives me different suggestions. So I could just search wildfires, but that would give me a lot of resources. So I have all these other keywords to kind of get me started. I'm specifically interested in wildfires and climate change. So when I click on this, I'm going to find all of these different resources. Now, the first thing I want to point out is make sure that you are limiting your searches always to full text. If you're not limiting it to full text, you won't have a link here to the resource. And when you click on it, if you click the overview, all you'll have is a summary, and that's really frustrating. You want to actually have a link to the full resource, whether it's HTML or PDF. So click full text. You can alter your publication dates. So maybe I want these to be published between 97 and 2020. And it will take out some additional resources. I can select my source types. If this is a more specific research, I can do just academic journals. If it's more informal, I can do magazines. And then I pick what titles I want. So looking through these, I'm going to specifically look for something new and relevant. And the one that sticks out on me is What the World Sees as Australia Burns. This was something that happened last year. It's kind of been looked over, or I guess the beginning of this year, it's been looked over with everything going on in COVID. So this is the one I'm intrigued about the most. So when I click on an article, it will give me a variety of resources. So I can save this to my Google Drive. I can print it. I can email it to myself. Of course, I can read the article here. So this looks like it came from Time Magazine in this past January. But my favorite tool, and the one reason we really push using databases, is the Cite button. So all of our databases will give you pre-formatted citations, which is a wonderful resource. So it goes over who wrote it, the title, the name of the magazine. So it's a wonderful, wonderful tool. So you don't have to create it yourself. You can just get it from there. So here's what you need to do to solve the question in your breakout box. In order to answer the next clue, you need to know who the author's last name is of this article, what the world sees when Australia burns. If you can open Explora, follow the steps I just went over, search the same article, and find the author's last name, you'll be good to go.